Every once in a while, someone goes public with a scientific theory that explains the age-old mysteries surrounding the Bermuda Triangle. Not only does the theory explain the mystery, but offers evidence that is usually bulletproof down to every little detail. Now, you must have read the Da Vinci Code, or at least seen the movie, right? Although the book is way better than the movie, with all respect to Tom Hanks, the Da Vinci Code is nothing more than a book that's based on extensive research with a single thread connecting the dots. This is exactly what makes any piece of well-written or directed mystery out there. Most people believe it's the premise that keeps the reader interested, when in fact it's the writing that keeps the reader engaged guessing the plot. So, at least once a decade, someone comes up with a new theory that completely solves the big mystery. This time, scientists believe they may have finally cracked one of the greatest mysteries in the world: the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle. But before we crack the mystery, make sure you click the bell icon for notifications and subscribe to our channel. Legend of the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle, otherwise known as the Devil's Triangle, is a 500,000 square miles area southeast of Florida. According to ship records from Christopher Columbus's first voyage to the New World, he saw great balls of fire crashing into the sea, which was probably just a meteor. His records also spoke about erratic compass readings and a light source burning in the distance for weeks. Many researchers claim that Shakespeare's play, The Tempest, was actually based on a ship that wrecked in the Bermuda Triangle, which only sparked the interest of many sailors back in the day. But it wasn't until the 20th century that this part of the planet got the attention of the public. With modern technology and tracking devices, researchers started to notice a pattern. More and more unexplained circumstances began to surround the area, and no one knew why. The place of no return. For many years now, the Devil's Triangle has been blamed for the disappearance of thousands of people and hundreds of ships and aircrafts. If we take into considerations that the records and stories predating the age of technology don't really add value to the mystery, we are still left with at least 6 to 7 decades of hard evidence, starting with the 1945 disappearance of a squadron of US Navy bombers. According to a team of scientists from the University of Colorado, latest satellite weather images of the infamous 500,000 square miles area show unique hexagonal cloud patterns. Further analysis of these cloud patterns revealed that they can form extremely violent mini-air storms that have the power of a bomb. These air storms have the potential to release deadly blasts of air that can exceed 170 miles per hour, which puts them shoulder to shoulder with hurricane-force winds. Winds like these can easily generate waves up to 45 feet or 15 meters in height, which is more than enough to swallow any type of ship, small or large. No aircraft is able to withstand such winds. At first, scientists from the University of Colorado were baffled with the hexagonal cloud patterns, because clouds don't usually form straight edges. Nevertheless, there is an exception to every rule, and the Bermuda Triangle is exactly that. These fast wind bombs would also explain the eerie circumstances under which an entire squadron of US Navy bombers got disoriented over the Bermuda Triangle and disappeared from the face of the Earth, never to be found. Since then, hundreds of ships and another 75 aircraft have been lost to the region. Today, scientists from all over the world are putting hope into the new theory, while more and more researchers are beginning to track clouds for similar anomalies. With the increased effort to solve the mysteries, we are on the brink of discovering whether all the disappearances are just coincidences or freak of nature occurrences that happen nowhere else on the planet. What do you think? Does this mystery really exist, or is it just a hoax? Leave us a comment below the like button and don't forget to subscribe.